Good morning, welcome back. Today we are back at it. Today we are testing out WunderBrow. WunderBrow 2? Wonder 2? If you watched my shopping tour video, you will see I went to London Drugs and they actually had this in stores, which I didn't expect to find here where I live in Edmonton, Alberta. This is the WunderBrow One Step Brow Gel, but I guess it's the second edition because it's Wonder 2. And I purchased it for $34.99, so pretty pricey. This is the WunderBrow One Step Brow Gel that says it gives you perfect eyebrows that last for days with PermaFix technology. There's a look at the ingredients for you. You get 3 grams for the price that you pay. It says it's a complete, safe, one-step solution to sparse eyebrow shape. Its exclusive PermaFix technology and proprietary hair fiber complex creates the perfect brow in less than 2 minutes that will last until you decide to take it off. It contains an exclusive blend of hair-like fibers combined with specially treated pigments designed to fasten onto skin and hair. This stuff is made in the USA and it comes from KF Beauty. I bought the color Brunette. They had 5 different shades, like black, dark brown, brown, maybe dark brown and light blonde. I can't remember, but 5 different shades. And when you open it up, you get the product as well as a sheet of instructions. Prep your brow area with an oil-free cleanser prior to application. Do not apply any cream or moisturizer for best results. Use the WunderBrow to fill in sparse spots with short feathery strokes. Apply in the direction of hair growth. You can start by applying just to problem areas or over entire brow for a fuller, more defined brow. And then once you've achieved the desired shape, you can soften and distribute the color with the brush. And then to take it off, apply an oil-based cleanser directly to the same area that you applied WunderBrow. Massage in gently and allow to soak in for a minute and then swipe away with a cotton. It might stain, so you might have to repeat a couple times. So let me clean up my brows here. I did moisturize this morning and I did just moisturize like all over my face like normal. Oh god, I feel like I'm moving my foundation around. Oh well. So in the box you get WunderBrow. Again, this is Brunette. It looks a little bit fairer, I guess, than I expected, although I could see them in store. I went with Brunette because my heart told me to. And here is the spoolie. It comes with a little clean mascara wand, which I thought was a nice touch. And the product comes with a brush to actually apply the product. My brows are looking okay lately. I've just been shaping them myself at home. And they just need a little bit of help. They're generally all right. You can apply it straight from the bottle with the included brush. It goes on very easily, and this brush is actually pretty good to control. You just got to remember to stop and pick up a bit more product once in a while. While that's still wet, I'm going to go ahead and brush it in really well. I think the edges aren't super precise, but I think it makes it look nice and natural, and it's not like hard to control. It just is a little bit softer on the edges, which is fine. And honestly, I think the color is not too bad at all. Am I in focus? I like it, and I do think it's a 2-minute quick job. I don't see any fibers in it. It just seems to be a gel, so I'm not too sure what they say when they talk about the fiber technology. It just looks like a brown gel. Let me blend that side in. The individual hairs do absolutely feel fixed in place pretty well, so I do like that. I have really long eyebrow hairs, like sometimes they get like, I swear, 1 inch long. And so I really like the security of having them sort of waxed or gelled into place. So that looks pretty good to me. As in all of my reviews, I'm gonna wear this for the next 12 hours, but then we're gonna check tomorrow and see how they're doing tomorrow and maybe the next day if they actually do last a full 3 days. So take a good look at these bad boys now. Let's see how long they last. Here we go. Okay guys, here it is, end of day one. No surprises, brows still look great. When you rub them, then nothing comes off of them, but they definitely do feel waxy or something. Very strange. So I brought some makeup wipes to remove my makeup. Actually, they're just baby wipes. But normally I would wash my face either like in the shower or with actual makeup remover. But for the sake of the video, let's just do it like this. We'll see how the brows last. For my eyes, I'm going to use Bioderma. Got a baby wipe. Let's go for the eyebrows. Definitely coming off. I honestly expected nothing would happen. Brows are indeed removing. I guess they're not completely gone, but they're definitely not as bold as they previously were. So here's night one brows. They still feel a little bit waxy. So that's it for me tonight. I am going to wash my face, just splash it with water just to rinse off any residue or whatever. And I'll check in with you guys tomorrow morning and we'll see if they made it through the night. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm back the next day. Here's the thing. I was under the impression that they would last a couple days and that as long as you didn't use an oil-based cleanser, they would last. So I don't think anything's left right now, but at the same time I did like remove it yesterday. They lasted super well throughout the day. But as soon as I washed my face and washed my eyebrows, obviously they came off. And I think I was mixing them up with the tattoo brows that you like peel off, the Korean ones. So I think today, because like we're pretty much back to square one today, I think I should put it on and then maybe have a shower or something. Like we know it lasts a full 12 hours, like it lasts really well. But I definitely didn't use it properly in terms of removal. So today I don't really plan on wearing makeup. We're going to do a face mask Friday in a little bit. So I think what I'm going to do, excuse my wake up hair by the way. It's what I look like when I wake up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reapply just my brows and then I'm going to shower. And when I shower, I'm not going to wash my face at all. I'll probably wash my hair, but not my eyebrows, no scrubbing, nothing, and we'll see how it does after a nice hot steaming shower. But before I shower, I'll probably let it stay on for an hour or two just to make sure it's really like on there and dry and ready for the day. So let me reapply my brows. They really are quick and easy to get on, and I love the natural effect that it gives you. It's kind of, it really is a good cross between a gel and a shadow and a wax all at once. So when they say one step, they're definitely not messing around. I'm going to work out this morning, and then I'm going to take a shower. I'm not going to wash my face, and then we'll see if they lasted throughout this strenuous day. Yesterday I did do some yoga, but I wasn't like really sweating, although it was really hot. But yeah, here we go. WunderBrows part 2, eyebrows in the shower. Alright, here we are post shower. Here is what my brows are looking like. I literally just hopped out of the shower, so I'm like, ooh, pretty hot. But I don't know. I think one brow looks okay, this brow. And this brow looks like it could use a touch up. But I guess the main thing is I never really fully thought through when I bought it. Like I was thinking 2-day, 3-day brows. But at the same time, I'm not really a sweaty person, but I do get pretty greasy. And for some reason, I have pretty greasy eyebrows. So I just can't imagine like going a full 24 hours without giving my face a complete wash down, including my brows. Like I can get behind just splashing your face with water in the morning if that's what you need and doing a more thorough cleanse at night. But somewhere along in the either morning or evening part of the day, I'm definitely going to be like cleansing my entire face including my brows. Is it waterproof? I mean, I don't think it's completely waterproof. I do think they last really easily for a full 12 hours, and with some water or sweat, you're gonna have absolutely no problem. Is it completely wonderful and amazing in terms of the amount of wear that you get out of it? To be honest, I'm pretty underwhelmed, and I had heard a lot of hype about it, so I don't know. Especially last night when I took my makeup off with a baby wipe, for some reason I just expected the brows would stay on, but they didn't. Aside from the wear, I think they are very comfortable. I love the hold that it gives your brows. I really did like the color, and I love the natural look that it gave your brows. Really easy to apply, really easy to blend. I dig it, especially if you're not into a super Instagram-y, super defined brow. I think they would be great, especially if you just have a couple sparse areas to fill in. But I wouldn't expect it to last perfectly through a shower, through a sweat session. Like, it's gonna last well, but maybe not like, it's not like a tattoo on your skin or something, which, I don't know, I kind of felt like it would stain my skin even a little bit, especially in the patchy areas back here, but yeah. Bottom line, what can I say about WunderBrow? I do like application. I do like the way it wears, especially over a normal 12-hour day period. I think if you're going to be wet or sweaty or running, it's like not the only solution. There are other solutions, and even my regular Anastasia Beverly Hills gel would do just as well throughout a workout or like light rain or something. Maybe not a complete shower, but yeah, it was okay. It's $30, so it's quite expensive, but this is a ton of product when you think about it. And I think I do like this per application much better than a pomade. Generally, I stick to a pencil and then I go over with a gel to set it. So I do like that this can do both steps in one go really easily, and I like that it blends in really well as well. I don't think it's going to be an HG product for me, but I'm definitely happy to have tried it out, and I do think it's a very unique type of product. So if you're into high hold brows, yeah, definitely look into this one. Well, let me know if you've tried WunderBrow. I'm pretty sure everybody out there has tried it except for me, so I'm a little late to the party, but there we go. I've tried it. Yeah, it's all right. So if you've had any experiences, if you love it, if you hate it, definitely let me know either way down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy these videos, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more beauty content from me. I do new beauty videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Huge thanks to my patrons who help make these videos possible, and a huge thanks to you for watching. Aside from that, you guys, I will see you in my next beauty video. Bye!